I was sent this set by BeautyStat and so excited to try it. So first is the eye perfector. That's what it looks like when it comes out. And then you're just gonna put it underneath your eye area. You can kind of dab it in to brighten everything up and firm everything up. Let's see if it does anything instantly. I would definitely say instantly you're gonna notice a little bit of that brightening just based on the cream and the color. Okay, so put that on. It goes on nice and smooth. It definitely has a nice velvety texture to it. I like the little pump bottle, and a little goes a long way. So that is great. You can use this one day or night. And then this is gonna be the Skin Refiner, also a little pump style. That's how it comes out. Has a nice velvety texture as well to it. And this one you can use over your whole face. Gives it that nice vitamin C boost to help with brightness. And for me, I'm trying to erase some dark spots, some sun damage. So I love how simply smooth this goes on. It also has the 20% vitamin C in it and EGCG, which is the main component of green tea. So you're getting that kind of hit of caffeine in there. So you can use this AM or PM. I think the set is perfect to get together and you should be seeing results soon. It's been clinically tested. I just started using it and so far I'm loving it.